Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Yarnoculus, where we have a lot of fun making simple, nice, beautiful crochet projects. So, love is in the air, Valentine's Day is just round the corner, so it's a perfect time to make something special for yourself or someone special or both. So today we're gonna make this cute and simple bookmarks. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and show me some love, and I promise you will never run out of crochet projects to try. With that said, let's look at the materials you would need to make this. You can make it with any kind of yarn and a corresponding crochet hook, but I would recommend using solid contrasting colors, so that's gonna make your lettering nice and visible. Avoid using variegated and self-striped yarn for this project. You don't want the letters camouflaged by the color changes, okay? For this tutorial, I'm gonna use Lion Brand's Feels Like Butter in the color Dusty Pink. That's the light pink color, and a darker shade of the same yarn called Cranberry. The corresponding hook for my yarn is 4.0, and that's what I'm gonna use for making my bookmarks. Other than that, you just need a pair of scissors and a needle to weave in the ends as usual. And I also used a piece of card paper that I cut out from an old Amazon box, and this is just to make the bookmark sturdy so it becomes easy to use. Depending upon your yarn, you may or may not need this, so it's totally optional. Oh, and one more thing, to keep the video short, I've divided the entire project into 3 parts. So today we'll be looking at the pattern for the letter I. In the next video, I'll show you how to make the heart motif, and in the last part, we'll make the letter U and finish off this project. Do let me know in the comments if you would have preferred it to be one long video or if you like the short format. Alright then, with all that said, gather all the materials, put on some romantic music, and let's get this party started. Let's go. Alright guys, so for the bookmark, the first thing we need to do is of course a slip knot. And we need a foundation chain of 17 chains. So go ahead and make 17 chain stitches, which is just yarn over and pull through. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So that was your foundation chain. For row number 1, we need to do a single crochet in every stitch starting from the second chain stitch. Okay, so the loop on your hook does not count as a stitch. Skip the first chain and do a single crochet in every stitch starting from the second. Okay, so for a single crochet, simply insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both the loops on your hook. Do the same thing for every chain stitch. That's gonna be your row number 1, and it's gonna give you 16 single crochets. Let me do that real quick. Alright, at the end of row number 1, chain 1, turn your work. For row number 2, 3, 4 and 5, we're gonna do the same thing. That's a single crochet in every stitch. So on each of these rows, you're gonna get 16 single crochets. At the end of every row, chain 1, turn your work and start doing the next row. So I'll quickly finish that and we'll take it up from row number 6 onwards. Alright, at the end of row number 5, this is how your work should be looking. And let's proceed on to row number 6. And this is the row when you will introduce the new color for the letters as well. So let's go ahead and do row number 6. So for row number 6, we're gonna chain 1 and turn as usual, and with the base color we need to do 2 single crochets. So let's do the first one. That's 1. And we are not going to finish the second one because we need to introduce the other color at this point. So let's go ahead and put in the red color. And I'm not going to attach this with a slip knot or anything. I'm just going to put it into my hook and pull it through the 2 loops, and that's going to get my new color onto the hook. As simple as that. Just pull this up a little bit. And now with the red color, we need to do 2 single crochets. So since we need the base color in the stitches after the red one, I'm gonna carry over the base color, that's the light pink color, and crochet over this yarn. Okay, so with the red, just do 2 single crochets. That's first one, and the second one, just like we did not complete the second single crochet of the pink, we are not gonna complete the second single crochet of the red. Instead, just change over to the light pink. So just drop the red, just drop it, pick up the light pink and bring it over to your hook, just like this. Okay, that's as easy as that. And now you have changed back to the light pink color. Okay, we need the red yarn again, so I'm gonna carry over the red yarn as well. And carrying over yarn here just simply means that crochet over this yarn, so it's available for you to use it later on in the row. Okay, so now with the light pink color we need to do 8 single crochets. So let's just do 8 single crochets carrying over the red color. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we are not gonna complete the last single crochet. Just insert your hook, pull up a loop, stop right there, drop light pink, pick up the red, pull over the 2 loops on your hook to complete this single crochet and also to take up the next color. Okay, don't forget to carry over the light pink. So we're gonna crochet over the light pink and do 2 single crochets. So 1 and 2, and not completed, drop the red one, pick up the light pink one, complete the single crochet with the light pink, so you get 2 single crochets of the red and the color on your hook is the light pink color. Okay, now we are at the end of this row. The next 2 stitches are gonna be with the light pink, so we don't need to carry over the red color, so just let the red color be and complete this row with 2 single crochets of the pink color. Okay, that was your row number 6. For row number 7, chain 1, turn your work. Now row number 7 is gonna be an exact replica of row number 6, just that it's gonna be in reverse. What that means is wherever you see the pink color, the light pink color, you're gonna do a single crochet with the light pink color. Wherever you see the red color, you're gonna do a single crochet with the red color. So let's do that real quick. Okay, so the first 2 stitches are light pink, so 1 and 2, and then we need the red, so we're not gonna complete this, we're just gonna drop this and pick up the red color. One more thing out here I want to show you is, since this is the back side, so whenever you're doing an even row, it's gonna be your front side. Whenever you're doing an odd row, it's gonna be the back side. So whenever you're doing the back side, you will drop the yarn in front of you. So this is the yarn that I want to drop. I'm gonna put it in front of me, hold it with the thumb of my right hand, pick up the red one, that's the next color, just like you normally crochet, and then complete this with the red color. Okay, this is just making sure that the yarn that you're dropping does not go over to the front side. Now we just have to crochet over this yarn from the back. So 2 single crochets of red, carrying ahead the pink. Okay, as simple as that. Now again, just drop the red in front of you, hold it with your thumb, pick up the pink and finish the stitch with the pink, because the next stitches are gonna be with the pink color. Okay, and now we have 8 single crochets of the pink, so we're gonna crochet over the red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and do not complete the 8th one. Instead, drop the pink yarn in front, pick up the red yarn and complete the stitch with the red, and 2 single crochets of red, carrying ahead the pink yarn. 1, 2. Not to complete the second one, drop it in front, and now you don't need to carry the red one because you are at the end of the row. So just pick this up and finish your row number 7 with 2 single crochets of light pink. Alright, chain 1, turn your work, and that was your row number 6 and 7. So now row number 8 and 9 are going to be exactly similar to row number 6 and 7 that you just did. So row number 8 is going to be 2 single crochets in pink, 2 single crochets in red, 8 single crochets in pink, 2 single crochets in red and 2 single crochets in pink. And row number 9 is going to be the same thing, reverse, which is repeat row number 7. So just repeat row number 6 and 7 once again, and we'll take it up from row number 10 onwards. Alright, at the end of row number 9, chain 1, turn your work, and for row number 10, we're gonna start with 2 single crochets of the light pink color. 1, 2. At the end of the second single crochet, change over to red. While carrying over the pink color, do 12 single crochets with the red color. (11) and 12. On the 12th one, as usual, change over to light pink and complete this row with 2 single crochets of light pink, and you do not need to carry over the red color. So 1 and 2. Chain 1, turn your work. Row number 11 is going to be the same thing as row number 10, which is going to be 2 single crochets in pink, 12 single crochets in red and 2 single crochets in pink. So let me do this real quick. You can pause the video here and come back when we are ready for row number 12. Okay, that was your row number 11. For row number 12, chain 1, turn your work, and you can see that half of your I is done and the other half is yet to be completed. And for the letter I, the next half is symmetrically similar to the first half. So we're just gonna repeat rows number 6, 7, 8 and 9, and that's gonna give you the other part of your letter I. So repeat rows number 6, 7, 8 and 9, and after that you're gonna be at the end of row number 15, and we'll see what we need to do for row number 16 onwards. So there it is, guys. The letter I on our bookmark is done, and I'm gonna leave you here for now. Hope you liked this video. Please smash that like button if you did, and subscribe to my channel Yarnoculus if you haven't yet. I'll see you soon with the part 2 of this pattern, which is the heart motif. Till then, take care and happy crocheting.